In this video, I'll show you how to edit NotebookLM infographics using magic layers in Canva. And once you're done, you can save your edited infographics as PDF, PowerPoint, or whatever format that you want. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, NotebookLM by Google can make you some awesome infographics, but one thing it does is that it gives you an image that is not editable. Now, I do have this PDF right here that is more or less going to be our source, and I do have Canva. I am on the free version of Canva. Now, let's go to NotebookLM, and I'm just going to click on Try NotebookLM. And once I do that, you can see featured notebooks or even notebooks that I've actually worked on. I'm just going to click on Create New. And right here, the new dialog box is for us to add our sources, maybe from the web. You can upload files, YouTube, Drive, or even copy text. Now, I want to just drag and drop that particular PDF, and that's my source. It's my one source here, and then I'm going to get a chart here of what is going on right there. On the right is the studio, where you can actually do a couple of things, but of importance to us is the infographic. If I click on this arrow right here, you can customize the infographic. That is, you choose the language, the orientation, either landscape, portrait, or square. You can also have it choose a visual style for you. You can auto select, you can do sketch notes or whatever, but I'll just leave it as a default. And as for the level of detail, it can either be concise, standard, detailed, whatever you want. Now, I'll leave it as standard, and you can also describe the infographic you want to create. I'll leave it as it is and just click on generate. And because this may take a while, and you can see it here, I'll just go back to NotebookLM right here. And because I do have an infographic I've created in the past, more or less on the same, and I'm actually going to use this. It's this particular one. I'll click on it. And once I do that, it's going to show us what the infographic looks like. It looks something like this. Now, I'll click on this, more options, or the three dots, and just click on download. It's going to download our image, and you can also use this particular option here as well, these three dots, to download. Now, we've got our download in the download section. It's this particular image right here. Now, we want to make this editable so that we can save maybe for Microsoft PowerPoint or maybe as a PDF. We're going to go to Canva. As I mentioned initially, it's the free version. And we're going to use the new feature called Magic Layers. I'll click on it. And once I click on it, it's going to prompt me to upload media. I'm going to click on upload and just select that particular file, click on open. And once I do that, it's actually going to add my media right there. And please take note that Magic Layers only supports images at the time of recording this video. Now, your design is ready to edit. Click, more or less, click on Open Editor. That's what I'm going to do. And what the editor starts doing is it starts analyzing the content that we've got here. Now, you'll take a note that you're getting close to your plan's monthly AI limit. So as you can see, it's using AI, and because I'm on the free plan, you're going to have a monthly AI limit. Now, it's good to take a note of that. Just let them know, got it, which is okay. If it's going to do the job, maybe you are doing one infographic per month. But if you're actually doing a ton of infographics using NotebookLM and you want to make them editable for maybe PowerPoint or PDFs, then you can actually use this. Now, we've got it right there, and we can now make edits to the text, to the images. You can do a couple of things right there. So some things may look a little bit off. For example, this one, you may need to adjust it slightly, because I do believe in this particular one, it looks something like that. Yeah. So you may need to re-edit some of those sections right there, the way you feel fit. You can change the text. You can change whatever you want. But let's assume this, you did all this just to send it to PowerPoint. Now, let's assume your file is ready. So you'll just click on share and then go to download. And from the file type, you'll choose whatever file that you want. Let's say we want as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, and I'll just click on download. It's going to download right there, untitled design. And then once it's done, I'm just going to click on it It's going to open the file in Microsoft PowerPoint, and as you can see, it's editable. You can move or replace these different elements right there. And that is how you can use Canva's new magic layers to edit Google's infographic, that is NotebookLM's infographics, into editable images, PDFs, or PowerPoint. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.